Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily insert hyperlinks in messages on Google Groups. Let's begin. First, head over to Groups. Once you're here, click on My Groups. Then select the groups you would like to work on, right? Here, click on Start a New Conversation if you haven't yet. Then, let's say for example, I'm just going to say group 1 to 10, right? Here, I'm going to select this text and you will have this button or option over here, insert link. Click on it. I'm just going to put in here, like for the sake of the video, google.com, right? Click on OK. And there you go. It will show you, for example, if you're going to hover into the text, it will provide you the link or the web URL you're going to that will open once you click on this text, and this will also be highlighted in the color blue or light blue. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.